Just clicking on a Twitter link, a Discord or Telegram link, and all your crypto could be gone. However, all of this can mostly be avoided by connecting a hardware wallet to your Web3 crypto wallet like MetaMask. In this video, I'll review a brand new hardware crypto wallet made for this use case. It's one of the cheapest crypto wallets on the market. It has unique security and interoperability features. I will unbox it, try the wallet out myself, and finish off with my final thoughts on if the wallet is worth its cost. Keystone themselves sent me this pilot version of the wallet to let me try it out. You can check out the pre-order for the wallet right here for yourself if you want. The link is also down in the description. Alright, let's get into the video. Every single day, thousands of people are hacked and lose all of their crypto on their MetaMask wallets. This can, however, be prevented in almost all cases by using a hardware wallet. This wallet currently costs $103 during its pre-sale, but seems to increase to $129 after the pre-order period. Now, both $103 or $129 is very cheap comparing to other traditional hardware wallets on the market. But let's open it up first and see for ourselves. Here is the package it comes with. Inside is the actual wallet, a USB-C cable, a quick start guide, and seed phrase papers. The initial feeling is that the wallet is a sturdy device, sort of like a short mobile phone, a bit thicker, and it got a wide touch screen. It got a camera on the back, a button here on the side to turn it on, a micro SD card port, and a port for USB-C charging. So let's go ahead and make a short setup of the wallet. I turn it on and scan a QR code using the wallet's camera on the Keystone site to verify the device. And this step is actually very needed to verify that this device is not fake, so that's great. I need to update the device to get all of its new features, but I will skip that for now and just set up my wallet first. I set a PIN code and write down my seed phrases on the papers. And here we are at the home screen. We see that it both supports the Ethereum and Bitcoin network, and after updating the device, either using a cable or the SD card, I can see that it supports a few more tokens and more will come. However, which networks or tokens we see here is in my opinion rather irrelevant, since I would mainly use this wallet in conjunction and connect it to a web wallet like MetaMask. And those web wallets we can see here, a bunch of different web wallets we can choose from. We see the OKX, the MetaMask, and a few more. And I think this is the main feature of this wallet, to connect it to these web wallets. Since on these web or software wallets, as they are also called, we can pretty much use whichever crypto network or crypto token we want. So there are no limitations of which networks or crypto tokens we want to use. We can use them all. And Keystone don't charge any additional fees or anything by connecting the wallet to these web wallets like this. So let's connect the Keystone to both my MetaMask wallet account and my OKX wallet account and try it out to see how it works. When clicking here, I get a QR code, and if I scan it from my OKX wallet account that I have on my mobile phone or on my laptop, it will connect the Keystone wallet's account and its address to my OKX wallet account. So now on my phone or laptop, I can use the OKX wallet just like normal, but using my Keystone address. And this gives me the additional security of the Keystone that I will go through later. But let's do it again, but with the MetaMask wallet, and I'll try out to do some transactions. So I click on MetaMask, and I get the QR code up. I log into my MetaMask wallet on my phone, click here to see all my accounts on my MetaMask, and I click here Add Hardware Wallet. And it even mentions Keystone here. I click Continue, and I scan the QR code using my phone. I choose which of my Keystone addresses I want to connect, click on it, and now I can choose to use the Keystone account in my MetaMask wallet just like any other account. And now I can use MetaMask just like normal. I can use whatever network I want and whatever crypto token I want. I begin by sending over some funds from my other account on my laptop to my Keystone wallet address that I connected to my MetaMask. I click here and swap, and choose the token I want to swap to, let's say USDT. I type in how much, get quotes, swipe, and then I get this QR code up. I click the scanning button on the Keystone and scan the QR code. Then swipe and enter my PIN code. And then another QR code shows up on my Keystone. Let it be like this and click Get Signature on the phone and scan the QR code on the Keystone. And then the transaction is processed. and that is the process of making transactions using the Keystone connected to a web wallet. So you need to have the physical Keystone wallet to be able to scan to verify transactions. So if someone hacks me online or if I click a phishing link, they still won't get my crypto tokens since they don't have the physical wallet. Alright, I tried swapping a few times, but I can of course use MetaMask on any DeFi site like buy NFTs, swap, sell like normal. And then lastly, I sent the Ethereum back to my main wallet using the send feature here in MetaMask. And it all went great. The verifying and scanning was quite smooth and it went pretty fast. Now, I do like that I'm able to connect to my web wallet just by scanning a QR code, a quite simple and fast way to connect and get the added security of the Keystone. The process of verifying each step of a transaction by scanning is a bit new to me though, as I need to use both hands and scan, and of course this adds a few more seconds on every transaction I make compared to not utilizing any hardware wallet at all with my MetaMask. But when I compare it with other traditional hardware wallets I connect to my MetaMask, the Keystone is faster, but most importantly a lot easier to use to verify transactions with. And the user interface and the large screen of the Keystone kind of makes it resemble using a mobile phone that new users will have no problem at all to use straight from the box. This I can say is not common for most crypto hardware wallets. The Keystone's simplicity and very few and big buttons makes the Keystone extremely straightforward on how to use. So in other words, I believe they got a very user-friendly wallet here. Now let's talk about the unique security features on this wallet. But first, if you're enjoying the video so far, consider helping me out with a like, subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this. Now, you need the physical wallet to verify transactions. Well, what happens if someone steals my Keystone wallet? Will I lose my crypto then? Well, no. Generally, for all hardware wallets, you need a password or the recovery phrase to access your crypto on the wallet. And as long as I did not store my password and seed phrase in the same place as my hardware wallet, the thieves cannot usually access my crypto. However, there are people that are able to extract the recovery or seed phrases from a hardware wallet by utilizing gadgets or coding, so it's not impossible for someone to break into your hardware wallet generally. However, the Keystone 3 Pro have implemented an anti-tampering feature which will go off the second it senses that any physical tampering is going on and then erase all the data on the wallet. So this device is even protected against physical tampering, which is unique. In a hardware wallet, the seed phrases are stored within a chip that are called security elements, and they are basically the protective barrier between my seed phrase and the hackers trying to get them. The Keystone 3 Pro got 3 distinct security elements that give a security level that is also unique. And that feels good to me that the Keystone have top-of-the-line security when I'm out browsing the crypto web with it connected to my MetaMask. Now, the more online you are with your hardware wallet, connected towards places, transactions and so, the more at risk you are, of course. So I personally am storing most of my crypto offline in a hardware wallet I'm not going online with, or as little as possible with. That is to me the safest way to store crypto. However, with the wallets I'm doing active trading, buying NFTs, crypto gaming with, I need to use a web wallet like MetaMask that I will be online with, and I need to keep those wallets safe as well. And so pairing my web wallets with the Keystone device does make a lot of sense for that use case. So what are my final thoughts on the Keystone 3 Pro? Is it worth $103 or soon $129? I can see that anyone doing a lot of DeFi transactions and have some crypto stored on Web3 wallets like MetaMask could get a lot of added security using the Keystone 3 Pro. The Keystone had very nice and easy interoperability with other web wallets, and I was able to connect to my MetaMask wallet very fast and easily without any issues, by just scanning the QR code. The scanning of QR codes for all transactions is very fast and easy to use, but it is new for me and I might only be able to use this wallet at home as I don't want to be scanning codes when I'm out in the public. Also, this Keystone does not seem to work with my PC because my monitor does not have an inbuilt camera. So if you don't have an inbuilt camera or web camera in your computer or phone where you intend to use your web wallets, then this wallet is probably not for you. But most laptops or phones nowadays have cameras, I assume. The physical durability of the Keystone 3 Pro is also unclear. I'm not sure how well the screen or camera on the back would handle if I drop the wallet on the ground or if I scratch them too much. But all in all, $103 for a wallet that might end up protecting my MetaMask and my crypto against hackers or myself clicking on the wrong following link in Discord or Twitter is to me a small price to pay to get so much added security, so I definitely think the wallet is worth it for its price. Alright, thank you so much for watching, I'll see you in the next crypto review. Bye bye.